Ninjago!
Oh, I'll be waiting. Dad.
Sorry? What was that last thing you said?
What?
That last part, I didn't catch it.
Well, I didn't say anything. What do you mean? I said I'll be waiting and then I stopped talking. Dad.
Lloyd?
That's right, your son, and it's Lloyd.
No. Lloyd. I named you.
You ruined my life.
That's not true. I haven't even been a part of your life. How could I ruin it? I wasn't even there.
Baby, now we got bad blood. You know it used to be bad love. Now we got drama.
I've taken a solemn oath to form the secret ninja force. Are you ready to risk your life for Ninjago?
Yes, I am on it.
Maybe.
Garmadon!
Run!
I'm stuck!
I know you want me to save myself, so I'll go now. I promise I'll never forget you.
I didn't ask you to promise that! Come back!
Now we got problems, and I don't think we can solve them.
Hello?
Who is this?
Lloyd Garmadon, your son?
I must have butt dialed you.
Blood run, 'cause baby, now we got bad blood. You know it used to be bad love.
It's okay, Lloyd. Nobody's parents are perfect.
I mean, my mom is weird and collects seashells. Your dad levels cities and attacks innocent people. So, they've all got their quirks, you know?